So I hope that I uploaded the notes, my dear students. DML statements I uploaded or not? Yes, I already uploaded. Come in, ma. I'll just check it out. So go to that.
Recording in
You take
progress.
care of it and please go through that. Follow me carefully, students. Update operations, DRL also. DRL related structure also, cursor object is done. So in today's class, I'm going to talk about another discussion, Python communication with MySQL. Easy. So Python communication with MySQL, which is so simple, and I don't want to waste my time. Who invented MySQL? Which year it is available? I need not to go for that entire historical story. Direct point to point. Okay. So MySQL was invented by, so open source first of all. It is invented by some scientist name. If you want, I will show you the documentation once. It is one of the RDBMS product. As on today, MySQL also handed over by Oracle Corporation only. So Oracle Corporation contains, Oracle is one database. MySQL is also maintained by Oracle Corporation only. Now I am going to say, I will go for how MySQL is going to be, how MySQL is organized. Oracle database is a collection of what? Don't know. Tables. Collection of tables. Now, table is a collection of what? Right. Even MySQL also. Listen, all of you students, carefully listen. So don't take much time. In today's class, I want to take MySQL communication. And how easy you will feel about MySQL communication, I cannot imagine it. Because already we've seen solid discussion about what? Oracle. Now I am talking about view about. Now I am going to write it. So I'm going to take about view about MySQL database. MySQL database. Just I will write it. Carefully follow, students. Here I am writing. Now I am saying MySQL. So Bhagwan, switch off your video. Now this is a MySQL. So all the offline students are eagerly waiting when the video will on, when we want to see. Outside you are doing that only now, YouTube only watching, right? Coming to the class. At least for 1 hour, 40 minutes, listen the class. Okay. MySQL is a collection of databases. Spell out ma. Collection of databases. Collection of databases. Okay. Databases. A database is a collection of, don't take much time. And you can learn in depth of data. MySQL for 3 months, 4 months, you can learn it. But it says to you, not necessary. If you go through that, what I am saying, later you can build that subject. Database is a collection of tables. Spell out. Collection of what? Tables. Table is a collection of what again? Collection of records. That's all. What is an extra is coming here? Databases are coming. I will give you what is the meaning of it. I will give you the meaning of it. Let us take students. Now I am going to take it. Now I am going to take it. Take care, my dear students. I am going to take it. One database name I am taking. What is the database name I am taking here? University. University I am taking. University is called what? Database name. Database name. When I am developing university project, any university application I am developing, I will create one database. In that database, I will create a table. What is the table I am taking? Teachers details, non-teaching staff details, and then colleges details I will take it. So I will take it what here? Teacher details, that is called faculty details, is called a table name. What is the next is called what here ma? Non-teaching staff, non-teaching staff, non-teaching staff details, and next is what? College details. Under one university, lot of colleges are there. Under that faculty number, and then faculty name, and then subject, department, which department they belongs to. Under this ID, employee ID, name, and then next is called what you know? Job details. Next college ID, CID, and next is called what? C name, and next is called C location. I will write it. What are these called? What are these called ma? Column names they are called. What they are called? Column names. So under where they are present? Under where they are present? This is called what here? See students, what is this now? Tables. These are all called tables. So this is a table. And I will write it here once again. Here I will write it one more point. So here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. Again this is comes under what? Table. Table I am going to write it. So just this is called tables. Are you following me? Yes. Similarly, I will go for one more kind of database students. One more kind of database I will take. Suppose if I am developing banking project, I will take it as banking. What is this banking is called ma? Database. Database name it is. Database name it is. Under banking, who are there? Depositors will be there, borrowers will be there, and then bank employees will be there. Like that, many more tables I can take it. Many more tables, not only three tables, many more details I can take it. What details these are? Account details. What is happening here? ACNO. Next is called customer name, and next is called balance. Next, who are these people are called? Borrowers. Borrowers. That is called loan takers. That is called what you know? Loan number. Next is called what? Loan. That is nothing but what? Borrower name, and then loan amount. L amount I am saying. Next is called what? This is called employees. Banking employees. EMP. Now I am writing there employee number, ENO comma, E name comma, designation. These are all called what? Column names. And account, borrowers, and then EMP are called what? Tables. Tables. So these are all called what students? Come on students. Tables names. Tables name. Table names. These are all called what? Table names. Tell me for my satisfaction. MySQL is a collection of what ma? Databases. Database is a collection of what?
Tables.
Table is a collection of what?
Records.
Well, now I want to create a record. I want to insert a record. Don't tell wrong. Online students, did you understand what I am explaining so far? Did you understand what is explaining so far? Quickly try to answer my questions. Did you understand up to here? Yes. Tell me, if I want to insert a record, what should I create? If I want to insert a record, what should I create? See, students, general knowledge is also required. So many classes over, you are not catching me. Record is a part of what? If I want to insert a record, what should I create? If I want to create a table, what should I create? If I want to create a database, what should I have? So why don't you catch that? Tell me, to deal with MySQL, what should I create? Come on. Database will contain what? Tables will contain what? Records. Who will enter the records data? End user. Any organization employee. Where it is stored in? Tables. Table is a part of what? Database is a part of what? Right? So any RDBMS product, records are stored in table only. But one architecture to another architecture, it differs. Right? Fine. So you can go to
Recording in
Here I'm
progress.
going to say, this is called what? MySQL view. Shall I go to MySQL view? Yes. So here students, during this part of it, you can download also. I can say you can download at least with MySQL you try to deal with. So I'm going to write it MySQL free download. MySQL free download for Windows. You can go to this place and you can see on that you can download. So here it is available. MySQL MSI installer is there. You can download it. You can download any one of it. You can download this. Now you can go back to this and you can go to this place. There is one more is also there. You can download this also, it is available. Windows 86 and 64-bit you can download. You can download any one of these things. Are you able to follow? This is a zip. Already in the zip file there is one setup file is there. Try to download. Okay now? So MySQL is very easy to download compared to what? Oracle. And MySQL is not difficult for you. It is very simple. Once you download, you will be getting it. You will be getting it. Go to the place back. You will be getting it. One type of client related, like a SQL prompt related prompt will come. So daily you are coming late student and you are making so much hurry in the class. Right? So don't come like that. Today is the last working day for you. Right? Sit. So tomorrow onwards you should come before I enter into the class. Otherwise I'll ask 15 questions in data types of Python. Right? So can I ask one question today? No? Stand up once. Stand up fast. What are the functions in dictionary, you tell me? ఏ క్లాస్ లేదు? I am not asking about other classes. What I am asking and what you are answering. Dictionary, dict object contains how many functions? Our Python class I am asking. So sit down. Tomorrow you will ask the questions. You will come tomorrow class. You will come tomorrow class. రేపు వస్తావా అంటున్నా? రేపు క్లాస్కి వస్తావు కదా? రేపు tomorrow you will ask the same question to you. What are the functions present in dict? I will ask tomorrow class. Same question I will ask tomorrow. Okay na? Right. What is your name? Ganesh. Okay. So, this is MySQL. Click on this MySQL. It is going to open it. Enter the password. This password by default contains a root. Even during installation also, root is shown to you. You don't disturb it. If you want, you can give your own name also, no problem. Okay, na? So I'm entering here what? Root. It is coming some echo characters. Star symbols are there. Now I got it. Now closed it. Why? Because I entered caps lock is on. Caps lock I should not take it. So small. Root is called what? Small. So I need to say MySQL prompt is available like this. Like earlier we have seen SQL or not? Earlier you have seen SQL prompt and it is called MySQL. Whether it is a DB2 or MongoDB or whatever it is, SQL operations which we discussed in Oracle are same in all sorts of things because SQL is a standard language in all databases. Right? So if you have the knowledge on that kind of thing, the SQL operations, you can do anything else easily. Because I told the book name also for you. Try to read that book. Anybody searched in internet? No. Only writing in the notes. Because you are writing the notes for your future. After 100 years, somebody will write. Like our olden days, Grandal untai kada. Like. So try to read that. Now I am going to say. MySQL workbench and all those things not necessary, ma. Somo G. Workbench is not necessary. You just take MySQL client you install. MySQL client if install it is enough. Somo G. I hope you are understanding, my dear student. Okay. So now I will go for it. Go to where? MySQL. Shall I enter into some things inside? Now I want to see what? Cheppandi. Go to that. I will show you the figure for you. I entered into where? I came to where? I should see what? Everything is there in front of you. So, come on, what should I do now? Databases. I should see what databases are there or not. To see the databases, it is a native command of MySQL, show databases. English word. Spell out. To see the databases, there is a command called what? Show databases. You will ask your friend now, show your mobile light. Show databases. Spell out. Why we use that? To see the inbuilt databases which are present in MySQL software. Semicolon you need to give it. Now it is showing the databases which are present. I personally like MySQL databases very well because it's a fully designed database. So here it is having information underscore schema and next MySQL and next is called what? Performance schema and then what? Sys. Are you able to understand? Yes.
Recording in progress.
Database name. What is my database name? 6 p.m. semicolon. See students, query is okay. One row affected. To these databases, one more database is created. Now, to see the database whether it is created or not, what should I say? Very good. Show databases. Is batch 6 p.m. created or not? Easy or difficult now? Easy. Can I create any other database? Yes. How do you create? Create database name. Okay. Now I need to enter into the database or not? In MySQL, so many databases are there. Now I need to enter into certain database or not? To enter into the database, I will say use database name. Tell me, you are coming to Naresh IT. In Naresh IT, you need to go to enter into one room or not? Use room number 1, room number 2, right or not? Use database name. What is my database name? Batch 6 p.m. Batch 6. values will come. Next, name is called varchar2, not null I mentioned. No null means you have to enter the value. Marks double. I said what? Real. Real means what is taken? Double. What is this now? No null values. Are you following me? How, do you have any records inside of it? No. Come on, how do you see the records? Come on, almost you forget, huh? Select star from where? Student. Almost you forget, I hope so. No more rows are present inside. No data present inside. Now we understand. Come out of that now. Exit you say, come out. Enter into once again. Go to that MySQL. So go to the root. Now it is that. Tell me. How to enter into the databases? Show databases. Show databases. Is it created or not? Now I want to enter into this table. I enter into this database. Come on. Use batch 6 p.m. As inside of it I need to see the tables or not. Show what? Yes, show tables. What is that table name? Can I see the records inside? Yes, by using what? Select star from student. Select star from where? Do you know how to insert the data inside? How to insert? Insert into value. Same as previous. Insert into, already we have done. How you did in Oracle? Same to same. All sorts of DDL, DML, DRL commands are same here. It's not only in Oracle and MySQL. In any RDBMS product, that commands are same. Shall I go to my programming now? Good. Now I will go to the programming. What is supposed to deal with? Go to this place. We understand the importance of MySQL, how it is organizing. Last final sentence I am saying. If a Python program want to communicate with Oracle, which module we took it ma? CX_Oracle. That we installed it by using what? Pip install. What is that? CX_Oracle. Please my dear students ensure that you must have what? Python 3.10. Because I told the reason also for it. When I was explained last year when Python 3.10 was not there, when 3.9 was there, CX_Oracle was not working with Python 3.10 also. Later they extended the support for 3.10 because Python 3.11 came for 3 months back and they are going to extend the support of CX_Oracle within couple of months. That time we can happily use what? 3.11. Because 3.11 still it is under bug fixing stage only. Very recently came now, still they did not extend the support for it. And they are studying that documentation. Understand my point? That's why only for this chapter, try to install Python 3.10. If 3.11 is there, remove that and install 3.10. And then start installing that work. Okay? Right. Similarly, if a Python program want to communicate with what? Come on. MySQL. If a Python program communicate with MySQL, you must install what? MySQL hyphen connector. Connector. One more type of module you install, students. MySQL hyphen connector hyphen Python you install it. Huh? What is that? Please in the class. So MySQL hyphen connector install I am saying. Install I am saying. Pip install. What is this now? MySQL hyphen what? Connector. Connector. I am talking about installation. I am not talking about importing here. Okay, yourself. I am talking about what? Installation I am talking. I am not talking about importing. Installation I am talking. Not dot. Hyphen you need to use compulsorily. During the importing I will tell you. First you need to install this. Can I install now? Yes. In simple word, any type of Python program is communicating with other kind of databases, corresponding module you have to use it. Suppose your company is using some sort of database. Definitely your team leads, definitely your project leader will tell you that this is a module we are using, this is a so and so database we are using, you please install it. Already you are learning in the class how to communicate with the database. So whether you are going for CX underscore etc., any type of thing, what is the functions common, students? Connect function is same, next is called cursor function is same. What is next function is same? Execute function is same. Functions are same in all the modules. What is changing? Only module name will change. What remains same? Everything same. Coding is everything same. So today you will see how fastly I will do that. Let us go to the program now. Go to the command prompt once. Go to this place. Now install. Pip install. What is this now? MySQL hyphen what? Connector. If I already installed in my system when I am teaching to other batches, if this requirement is already satisfied, you will get it. Otherwise, it will be installing. So see that here it is going to be this requirement already satisfied. You can see that one more also you can say Python I will also import it. I will install that also. This also it is satisfied. To see that pip push show, what is this now? MySQL hyphen what? Connector. I will see that it is a MySQL connector version 2.2.9. MySQL driver written in which language? Right, home page is what? This is you see MySQL development of the connector Python. It is something like this. Author is called what? Oracle, and its affiliates which independents. Now this is called what? It's a simple information issue. Are you following, students? Now you can say people list. People list means it will show what are the things installed in our system. CX underscore Oracle is installed. Today I installed MySQL hyphen connector hyphen Python is also written. Are you able to follow? After installing, I will go for what? Right to the first program. Right? Yes. Go to the first program now. I can show you in PyCharm also. PyCharm also I will come to that. Don't worry about it. Just to give me the first program I am going to do here. So let's go to that. So program for
Recording in
getting
progress.
getting connection from where? Come on. MySQL database. MySQL database. Come on, import. What is the module name we imported? MySQL hyphen connector. Today we need to say MySQL dot connector. Why? Because they did not carry this hyphen is an invalid variable. Dot is also invalid variable, but internally they taken as MySQL is one upper one, connector is a lower one. I will say what? Upper one dot lower like that we can write it. No need to take MySQL dot connector dot Python, you need not to write it. Are able to follow? So it is the mandatory module for importing, communicating with what? MySQL database. Come on, as usual. Come on, say connection is equal to. Earlier I wrote what? CX underscore Oracle dot connect. Today, don't take much time. Why are you taking much time? Dot what? Connect of. Don't Butify. That is the syntax URL connection for Oracle. Here it is going to be different. Same thing, only this side and that side words are changing. Host is equal to. Host nothing but what? Your DNS. DNS you need to pass. What is the DNS? That's all. Local host, comma. I will write line by line for your clarity purpose. Next what I will do? User is equal to user. As it is you need to write user. Actually by looking at that you can understand. What is that? Keyword arguments these are. What are there? Keyword arguments. Long ago keyword arguments. Do you know keyword arguments? User is equal to, what is that? Root. In my system, I gave it as a username as root. Default username I am taking. Comma. Password is also there. PASSWD you need to write. Password don't write. WORD you don't write. PASSWD is also called what? Root. Close. Because of that, what I am getting? Python program obtains connection from where? Connection from MySQL. Connection from MySQL. Are you following me? Just execute this program now. Say here, so test MySQL connection 1 dot what? Py. Save this code, go to the location of it, go to the place. Here I am going to write 6 p.m. Under that MySQL,
ఏముందో ఇంకా టైం పడుతుందా? పాలు తగ్గుతున్నావా? తొందరగా రాకుండా ఇదేందో నెట్ అయిపోయిందో దాంట్లో కనెక్ట్ అయ్యేలా కాయిస్తుంది. ఆట నుంచి ఆన్ చేయి హాట్స్పాట్. చెప్పప్ప. నాకు అంతే. నిజం జిక్కులో నేను పక్కన మూడు మొదలు కొడతాను చెప్తాను ఇక్కడ అట్లా మూడు పగలగొడతాం ఎవరికో ఇప్పుడు నోట్ పెన్ చూపిస్తాను
వచ్చింది కదా
వస్తా అండ కొంచెం
ఆల్రెడీ మీకు వచ్చి అని చెప్పి ఇది రావట్లేదు.
సిగ్గుండాలి పోతున్నా నాకేకే ఏంటి నవ్వొస్తాను నీకు జిక్కలు గుద్దర్రెక్కకి ఈడ ఒకటి వచ్చింది అది ఈడ ఒకటి వచ్చింది దీని పక్కనే రాక్షస పళ్ళు ఉందా దాని పక్కన ఈడ సన్నగా వచ్చిందా మళ్ళీ ఈడ ఒకటి వచ్చిందా ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి
Recording in progress.
Come on, students. Create database HYD. HYD. It is a string object. Execute. CUR dot execute of DC. DC. CUR dot execute of DC. CUR dot execute of DC. What is happening? CON dot. Okay. No issue. I will take it. Print of what? Database created. Database created successfully.
వెయిట్ చేసుకొచ్చుకుంటా
Successfully. In where? MySQL. MySQL. Any indentation problem, you take care. Any indentation problem, you take care, students. Take care about that. Now, what happens? So, CUR dot H.
ఇయ్యమ్మ ఒకటి నాకే గులలా
Data create a database.
చూడు ఎట్లా బాగా కొడుతున్నావు.
Recording in progress.
Print. Here, what is the error? Indentation problem, I hope so, students. Indentation problem, students. Basically, it suffers with indentation. Okay. Okay. 1 minute you wait. 1 minute you wait. So, connection, because I copied pasted now. That's why. Copy paste is a very dangerous example. It's very dangerous. That's why we should not believe on that. So it is okay. And nothing is done, only up arrow, down arrow, enter key, all those things. It will give some tension. So you execute it. In our database, what is not there? What is not there? In MySQL, which database is not there? You
Recording in progress.
it was already created. See, can't create a database HYD because it is already existed. Right or not? Yes. Easy, students? Now, database is created. Next, I want to create what? Table. Right down. Open the notes. You need to speed up. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will create an employee table. Which will create an employee table. Which will create an employee table. In MySQL database. In MySQL. Easy or difficult? Easy. What is the first step? Import the module. Create kada em kaadu. Spell out. First one is what? Import the module name. Next what? Get the connection. Create the cursor. Design the query and execute. Right or not? Can I copy this? Can I copy or shall I type it? Copy. Because you also will be very hurry. Right? So because I will copy today. Why? Because already we had a programming. I typed it everything. So I will take it. Table create.py. Table create.py. Connection got it. Program for creating a table.
అబ్బా
Creating which table? Employee table. But be careful, students. Creating which table? Employee table in MySQL. Okay. Table create. MySQL dot okay, done. Cursor object created. Now tell me how to create table. Tell me, students. Table query is equal to, okay, create table employee ENO. What is this now? Int primary key.
తాగపా
కొద్దిగా కొద్ది
Recording in progress.
Table created successfully. So you need to say one small thing, I missed it. I'm expecting from you need to say created in MySQL. Come on. In which database you are creating the table, you did not mention. Yes or no? So you need to take up, students, host is equal to what? Local host. User is equal to root. Password is equal to root, comma. Database is equal to batch 6 p.m. Batch 6 p.m. you need to tell. Are you following? In that database I am creating the table. Which table? Employee table I am saying. Did you understand that?
ఇవన్నీ అడ్డం
Yes.
పెట్టించండి
When you are creating the table, please ensure that database must be created. When you are creating the database, no need to specify any database name because you are creating newly in that. Okay. Let us save this now. Moreover, students, if you are too much interested, you can write in a table function also. DEF. What is this? Create a table of. I say this point. Now I am writing here main program. See, students, tell me. Call the function name. What is my function name? Create a table. Easy. Save this code. Execute. Come out of that Windows command prompt, you execute. Table create. What is happening here? You have an error in your SQL statement. Check the manual that is comes under this. Right parenthesis. Something is missing. See that? What is happening? You see that you need to close. You need to close or not? Yeah. Here you need to close. Beginning and then you need to close or not? Yes. Now you execute. Students. Nothing is happening. Table created successfully. Which place? Batch 6 p.m. Go to MySQL, students. Can I go to this place? How? Use batch 6 p.m. Okay, next please. Show tables. What is the table name? DESC. Come on. Employee. See, students, it is going to be ENO, name, and sal is called what? Float. Earlier I took it as what? Double. Real I took it double. Here sal is what? Float. C name is what? Varchar. And it is very simple. Database is always very simple, not a difficult at all. Okay. Are you following me? Now. Next I will go for, we know how to create a table. Do you know how to alter the table? What I will write it here? Alter table name, add, modify. That is same or not? Will you take care? Can I go for inserting the data? So, you do what? I am giving one note for you. You do altering the table and what? Altering table with what? Modify and add options. Can you do that? And it is not a big deal. You can do that. Same copy paste and we will change the module name. Okay, students? Shall I go for inserting the records? Yes. How to insert the records? Now I am going to take up. Write down. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Which will insert employee records. Are you able to follow? Easy or difficult? Inserting the records. I will take my previous program once. See my previous program once, students. Go to the place. Here I am writing Python Oracle. See that? Yes, ma. So mu Jeep. You can insert the data from CSV file also. It is a dead easy. How do you read the data from CSV file? How many ways are there to read the data? 2 ways. One is by using csv.reader, which will give you one record at a time. That record data I can insert it. How do you get the record data? Which is going to give you data in the form of what? List. List of 0, list of 1, list of 2. That values I will insert into the data.
పొద్దున్న 2 క్లాసులకి నాదే కదా
One
Recording
more
in
example
progress.
also I will take it. I will copy this example. I'll copy this example. Go to the place. Okay, Somu Ji. I will take it. Somu Ji. I will do it at the end of the class after completion of this entire thing. That is the left hand, left finger. Okay, na? Don't feel it. I will just to show you. Nothing is difficult. I will show you that. Okay. Let us go to the point back. Here I am going to say insert record example 2.py. What is the module name? MySQL dot connector. Same to same. What I will do it here? MySQL dot connector. Now I am going to take up here. MySQL dot connector dot what? Connector. What should I do now? Similar to previous code only. Similar to previous code only. Connection I will bring it as this. Only I will change this connection property, student. Connection property changed. Which database? Accept the cursor object same. Module I took it. Next done. Connect function. Cursor same. Accept employee values. How you are getting the values? Employee number, employee name, salary, everything is same. Now go for what? Insert into employee values. Employee is a table name present in which database? 6 p.m. Employee values, percentage D, percentages, percentage of, percentage yes. Is the format specifiers are matching or not? Yes. Come on, you can write the same code directly also like this. And once it is inserted, I can do what? Commit. Commit. Percentage D record inserted successfully. Cursor dot row count. Why I am copying and pasting? To feel that it is nothing is there, it is dead easy, and only module name I am changing and connection properties I am changing. The rest of the coding is same. That means once you know one database communication, other databases are dead easy. And let us copy that and write the exception also clearly. What is this exception now? MySQL connection dot database error as KV. And same to same I wrote. Value error is same, and your favorite is going to be something like this. Are you able to write it? Now, let us save this code. This is called what? MySQL. I will write it. MySQL highlight. What is the total thing you need to understand? Connection property will change, exception property will change, and everything is module name will change. 3 things will be changing in every moment. Module, and then connection properties, and everything is going to be similar. Go to the MySQL once, student. Select star from what is this now? Employee UTC. There is no data present inside now. Now I will run this code. Go to this place of command prompt and execute. Py, see this. Enter employee number. There is no restriction on this employee number. You can enter whatever you like it. If at all you want to provide the restriction, you can apply the check constraint also. In SQL side it is available. Check constraint is there, you can apply. So I'm going to say 100. I'm saying here row sum. I'm saying row sum. Salary is called 2.4. Company name is called PSF. What is happening? One record inserted successfully. Go to this MySQL and say select star from employee. What is happening? One row created or not? One row created. To run it once again. Now I will say enter employee number 101. Next is called Travis. Next is called salary is called 1.4. It is called NumPy organization. One more record inserted successfully. You go to this place and then see select star from employee. You are getting the second record also inserted. Are you following? Next, this is going to be inserting and then we are running again and again. We are running again and again. If at all you need what? Insert record example 3. If you want any insert record example 3, you see students, I will just go for keeping here. I'll just paste it this example. I'll just open it. I will change. Where I'm going to insert it? MySQL. Today I'm going to do very fast. Why? Already this coding is done. Today just like finishing touch. Go to where? Previous code. I'll go for what? MySQL.connector. MySQL.connector. And then get what? Connection property you get it. Connection property you get it. I'm just changing. What I'm changing you observe it, my dear student. What I'm changing you observe it. That's all. Not at all doing any change. Not at all doing any change. I'm just changing what? This also. I'm going to change the module name. That's all. You just while true, everything is there. Save it. Out of that, execute. PY. See that. Enter the employee number called 102. Something like what Kine. So I'm writing something like 4.5 pandas. So one record is inserted successfully. S. Now I will say something like 103. I will say Richie. I'll say something like 1.5 and see that Bell Labs. So Bell Lab. So I'm just writing one record is inserted. Next is called 104. 104. Something like this I am just writing. Gosling. And salary is called 1.4. And next is called what Sun Microsystem. One more record is inserted. Say no here. I am getting out of that. Go to MySQL and then try to see. Only 2 records was there. Now it is inserted. Other records are not. Amma? You can insert it. 1000 records you can insert it. What is happening? What is happening here? 1000 records inserting at a time is generally going to be possible with what? CSV file. Write that entire records in where? CSV file, as Somuji asked it. What we will do? Keep that entire data. Somebody has to type the data or not? Where do you type it? CSV file. We will take them in the form of what? Come on. CSV file. CSV file, how do you read it? With open. CSV file name, comma, which mode? R mode, as what? FP, colon, what we did? JSP, that is CSV reader is equal to CSV dot reader of FP, already done. That example already done. You almost forget about that. You already forget about that. CSV reader example, CSV read example 1. You see that CSV1 as FP, reader of it, we got this, reader, we got this value, and this value is going to be called what? This value. These values I will print in where? Sending to the database. Sending to the database. This example, if you want, I can explain it after completion of my select operation and everything. You take thousands and lakhs and crores of records, we can insert into the record. Already this example is explained for you. This example I was already explained. I hope you are remembering it. If you want, I can go to CMD directly. PY. What is my file name? If you don't remember, we can't do anything else. So go to this file. Say this data you see. These are my data. How I printed the time, if you remember me. I was printed. You just keep this concept little below to this, because if you remember now, you will not get the doubt, student. You will not get the doubt. If you don't remember now, you will get that type of doubts. So keep it. I will print it. What is that record? I will print it. Print record comma, type of what? Somo G. You also listen. Execute it. What is printed? Okay, double quotes need to terminate it. See that what is this is called a list, list you need to take it. This list of values, how many are there? So 3 values are there. That I need to take these 3 values. This is one thing. And one more example also I told you. CSV read example, non-CSV with read example, Dict reader example also I told you. So with this normal files CSV, normal files CSV, we should not take it. Already we discussed this part in the class. So that CSV file information, it is coming in the form of which type? Which type it is coming? List type it is coming. Another command prompt I will tell you. Another list type I will take it. So you can go for taking name of branch, everything is coming. This data I can take it. How do you take this data? With indexing you can apply. Already you know how to apply indexing and slicing. Okay, no? So this type of CSV file also I typed it and already shown you. Student.csv, you open it. This is called my CSV file. And how I read this data? Go to your CSV reader. Say once here what? Student dot what? CSV, you take it. Now you see, execute it. Now see that, am I getting that everything in the form of list or not? These values, how do you write it? This same code, in place of this, I will import what? The module I will import it. Connection I will get it. What these values are containing? First value, second value, third value, fourth value. All those values I can insert into where? I can insert into where? Database. If you want at the end of this, I will show you this code. Actually, you can write it since you are expecting me. Because sir will write everything now. That's why sir will take care. So I will show you this. Don't worry about it. Because let me continue my existing things. Amma? My dear innocent student, CSV module is a predefined module and I can take any modules inside of my class or not. Python is an embedded. Embedded means what? Any of the modules I can take it in my Python class or not. Any module I can take it. Only Python modules we should not take it. Any module I can take it. Pandas I can take it. CSV I can take it. Any module I can take it. Not at all a problem. You can take CSV file also here. Not at all a difficult. How to? Where? Huh? So simple, my dear student. So it's very you are not at all that doubt. I am getting very much tension when you are asking that question. When you are saying import, do you mean that can't I import like this? MySQL.connector. Can't I use it? I can use it. So your thing is only CSV. Python means Python modules like that. It's so difficult for you. So I can use this. I can get the connection also. What I can get the connection? Let me save that, get that code here. I will get this code. So very difficult situation. So go to this place. Get the connection. Get this connection. After this, create the cursor. I'll try to take it here. Go to this place. Get this data. Here I got the connection. So connection I got it. Student.csv. Don't worry about this CSV information. What is my CSV information is containing? Okay. Company name, marks, everything. Don't worry about the marks. Marks means salaries, C name, S name, everything is available. So I got the connection. I got this data. What is this data? I got it. Here I am using for loop. I am using it. What is this for loop is containing? Record. What I will do in this record? I will take it here. ENO is equal to record of what? 0. Record of 0. E name is equal to what? Record of what? 1. Next is called what? Sal is equal to what? Record of 2. Next is called what? CNAME is equal to what? Record of what? 3. 3. What is my output? Number, name, marks, college name, for example. But I took it as what? Employee number and employee name is like that. Now what I will do? For loop I am taking. I will insert the records or not? How do you insert it? Prepare the query. What is my query preparation? So dangerous. Go to the place. In this place, go to this place. Insert into employee values percentage D. I will do what? Come on. CUR dot execute of what? DQ. DQ. I will take a DQ. Come on, next. Comma. Comma, no. Percentage of. What is that value? ENO, comma. E-name, comma. Shall, comma. C-name. C-name. Okay. C-name. Okay. Next I will do what? Connection dot. Connection dot what? Commit off. Commit off. What is happening? Print off. Once it is done, print off. I will save. I will write it. Print. What? Row created. Row inserted. If you write it like that, every time I am getting inserted. This is going to be repeated until all my records are transferred or not? Yes. So, file not found exception will come. Any other exception you want, you can carry that also. Which exception I can take it? Value error you can take it. This type of exception also you carry. Here I am going to write it. So, MySQL dot everything is written. Save this code. Any more things? Batch. Take this data, batch 6 p.m., insert into with a loop, getting this records, insert into, commit, row inserted. Go to this place. So here you see indentation, indentation level, line number 23. So 23, yes. So come out of that, see that percentage D, okay. Where is the percentage D? Percentage D. What is coming? Okay. This is the which type? Int of I will take it. Because it is taken in the form of text file. I need to take it in the form of what? Integer. Next name. What is the salary value here in CSV file? Float I will take it. Float I will take it. Float off. Float off. Next is called what? CNAME. Okay. Execute it. What is happening? Don't enter alphanumeric strings and then employee salaries. What is happening here? First one is coming. What is here happening here? You know, in the case of normal programming, you see, first one is coming here. Beginning, what is coming? You know, this data is coming called what? This data is coming. For a minute you see, students. For a minute you see. What is happening here? Duplicate entry called 100. 2 times 100 is there. Okay. What I do is 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. Execute. What is happening? Row inserted, row inserted, row inserted, row inserted. Go to MySQL. Go to MySQL. SOMO G. You see that 1001, 1002, 1003. Done or not? Yes. So, it doesn't mean that once we take what? Once we take what? CSV, we cannot take third-party modules, not like that. Once you are using fever tablet, body pains tablet, we should not use, no such rule is there. If the doctor knows very well, any treatment can be provided perfectly. Understand? Right. So G, are you okay? So CSV file data transferred into where? Database. Once we, these are all these things are called what? Indentation, record, convert into integer, all these things. Are you there, Somo G? So, yes. So, understand. I hope you are understanding. Now it is not going last. Now only I did this. I hope you understand this. Okay, done. Okay. So, did you understand? Yes. Like this you need to do it. Fine. Srinivas Reddy, we can remove that headers also. We can remove that headers also. Header I removed it. Why I removed that header? SNO S name is there. SNO S name marks and all those things are what? Column names. Column names I am not inserting into the database. I can eliminate that. I can eliminate it. We can eliminate because when I am inserting the data, you need not to go for it. Right? In further sessions, because I told you CSV concept is coming in where pandas level also it will come. I told you that CSV will come in pandas also. In pandas I will eliminate the headers. Headers I will eliminate so many things. Whatever you want, columns I will eliminate. Whatever you want, I can eliminate. I will show all these things in the pandas. Okay now? Easier? Are you understanding? Except oxygen creation, everything you can do with Python, student. And if you get the doubt, I am getting tension about you. All module under same. You can take predefined module, third party module. I can import pandas also here. I can import pandas also. See, I will go to pandas also. Import pandas also I can take. Import SciPy also I can take. SciPy. Because I want to generate a graph also. I want to generate a graph also. I want to show the weather report also I want to show. In Amirpet weather report I want to show. Using SciPy and Scikit. In your mobile, when you go to my Windows, weather report will come or not? How weather report is coming? One module is there. Using that module, I can fetch the weather report of something. I can trap you where you are in Amirpet also. There is a module is available. I can trap you. What is your location? Which hostel you are there? In which door you are there? I can trap you that also. That is called base timelines is there. These are all algorithms are there in data science. Are you following? So, once you have a mobile, I can trap you. Okay. That much beautiful concept is there. So, these are all called what? That's why you be with Python, your life is beautiful. If you go to Java, you must be sincere like me. But you are not sincere like me, I know that.
లైఫ్ ఈజ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అంటుండు.
And mobile is your bad friend. Coming inside the class, talking in the phone. Correct? Fine. So, anyhow, I hope you are understanding this mechanism. So Vital is asking, Vamsi is asking, sir, tell me weather report also. Definitely I can tell. Because if I go for that, I go for data science related algorithms. So I also will have some boundaries or not. That boundaries, if I cross it, I'll go different places in data science again. Shall I continue now? CSV with got it or not? Yes. Happy, yeah? Can I move forward? Okay. So, don't feel when I say this. Because teacher always shout on the student who is a good teacher. Okay. So, even if you feel also nothing will happen. You have to get the subject, that's all. Today you will feel, tomorrow you will get 7 lakhs package. Because today you are learning, na? When you go to in company, sorry is not there, friends are not there. Who are these 3 people? 3 months they are there. After 3 months they will go somewhere. And you are entering into MNC, next car, USA, like that. No, that's why no friends, no mobiles, only Python is your friend. Right? Fine. So I have only 3 friends, students. I have only 3 friends. Not like that. Not like that.
పైతానే ఉంది.
One is my 7th class friend. There is one reason is there. One more is my 10th class friend. And one intermediate first year friend is there. These 3 friends. BTech friends are false friends. And rest of the friends are false friends only. Only 10 days friendship, after that bye-bye. That is not friendship. Okay, that's why no friends. Only what is your friend now? Python and your subjects. Okay now? Okay. Shall I continue my subject?
Yes.
So you unnecessarily diverted me. Okay, anyhow, subject only came. This also I will upload to you. This also I will say save as. So go to save as, into my place, I will paste it. 6 p.m. and here go to where is it? Python with a MySQL. Python with MySQL. You save it. Okay, save it and where is it? MySQL. You save it, students, and I will place CSV file also. CSV file also required. CSV file also I will place it. Don't worry about the CSV file. This CSV file also I will save it. Save as I will say. This also I will upload to you. Okay. 6 p.m. and I will say here Python with MySQL. Python with MySQL. Under that I will save CSV file. I hope it is saved something else. Okay. Student.csv. Okay. It is saved correctly only. Okay. So replace it. Now I will continue my discussion. Insert is over or not? Yes. Over. So we have inserted so many records here. So many records is inserted. Student data totally I dumped it. So how this question is? Lakhs of records, crores of records also we can insert it. One student will tell me that I typed everything, my records are there. Please dump it. I will write this code. Okay, now? Right. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will delete a record. Which will delete an employee record. Which will delete an employee record. Which will delete an employee record.
ఎప్పుడు ఏదో టిఫిన్ చేసి
Based on employee number. Based on employee number. Based on employee number.
ఎన్ని అడ్డం పెట్టాలా దాని చుట్టూరా
Based on employee number. See. To say, suppose you take it, chief ministers, prime ministers are pressing the button, and then all the amounts are debited, credited into your individual accounts or not. Beneficiary accounts they are depositing. How that is code is written? Government of India will have some account numbers or not from that bank, and the beneficiary account details are there or not, and transferring that records to the other tables. Easy now. So what is the transferring? Reading the data, updating the Government of India account and depositing into other person details. That is also called what? Funds transfer application we can call. Once I will show you in the class how it works like a phone pay, how it works like a Google Pay. I will show you that example to you. Very shortly I will show you. Not immediately, don't expect it. One Saturday, fine Saturday, I will show you that. Definitely I will show you that example for you. Definitely I will show you. Your account balance is 10,000. Like a Vijay Mallya, you have Vijay Mallya account is containing 10,000. And you are supposed to get 30,000 from him. He gave a check for you. 30,000 written on the check. Because you cannot verify immediately balance. You know Vijay Mallya? Don't know? You are something different you are looking. You don't know that? So he gave a check for you. When you keep the check in your bank, it is bounce or not? So, how that check bounce will be taken? I will explain in the multi-threading concept that example. Reservation example also I will explain. You need 20 seats. Train contains only 10 seats. How do you raise an exception? So many things I will talk to you. Right? Fine. So let us start. What is that example? Delete the record. From which table? Employee table. How do you do it? Same module, same delete operation, same delete example or not? Yes. So, I will explain. Vijay Mallya example. I will explain. Why? Different customers issued checks. Having single account or not? Issued different accounts. When you people next day morning put your checks in your bank, some of the account is clear. One account is cleared. Other account check bounce, you will get it. There is nothing but what multi-threading operations we can call. Threading operation. ATM application in across the networks. I'll tell you in multi-threading. Multi-threading is a great topic. We'll explain that. So, fine. Right. Mohammed, my dear student, thank you. So let me go to the another topic. Another example. So I'm going to say, go to this 6 p.m. and here Oracle. What is that example, my dear student? Delete example I will take it. Where is the delete example 2? I will take delete example 2. Open it. Delete example 2. Students, Are you feeling inconvenient when I am opening my existing programs? Why I am opening? Okay, feeling that database communication is easy. Only I am changing what? Modules. Because this everything I only typed now. You watched it already now. So today my program only copied by myself by making you to understand. Okay? Right. So coming to the point of it, in this case, I will import. Go to this place. Import. Which one I change? Database connection I will change. Everything is same. Fine. Accept the employee number. Yes. ENO is equal to percentage D EMPNO. Delete. Committing. Everything is same. What is different then? Module name is different. Yes. Module name is different. Everything is same. Database error. Fine. Save it. Go for saving it. I hope you go for save as into this place, into your place. Python with MySQL. You just save it. Go to the place of MySQL. See students. PY. Save. Enter the employee number. What are my employee numbers? I will remove the last person. 1008. 1008. 14 rows are there.
అసలు
14
అట్లాంటివి
rows.
అర్థమే అనిపించవు
Enter
పాపం.
1008.
యాభై
So what is happening? One record deleted successfully. Check it. See, select star from. 13 rows only available. That person is not there.
చెప్పిన
104 I will remove. Enter. Yes. See 104. 104 record is deleted. Say this person now. 104 is removed. 103 only there. 104 is not there. Here earlier 104 was there. Now it is not there. Are you following? Oh, coming to the point back. I say S. I say here 104 again. Do you have 104 in the table? No. You will get what? Record does not exist. You say S. One more record I want to delete. One more record. 1007 I will remove. 1007 record deleted. Check it out whether it is deleted or not. Select star from. 1007 is removed. Okay. Now I will say yes. I will say 101. If 101 is there, it is removed. 101 is there, Travis NumPy. Remove that. See that, deleted. So yes, 101 again does not exist because it was deleted. 101 you see, it was not there. Now you go for what? No. I'll say thanks for using this program. Easy or difficult? Difficult or easy? Easy. Type the program by yourself. So when you start typing your program, either power will go or laptop charging is over or internet not working. Something will happen. So open the notes. Write a Python program.
కాదు టైం అయినా వదిలిపెట్టలేదు కదా ఈరోజు.
Write a Python program which will update.
ఏందో చిక్కింది అసలు ఈ మధ్య.
Which will update employee name and salary in employee table
పోయి జాయిన్ అయింది.
ఇది పొద్దున్నే క్లాస్ అయిపోయి మర్చిపోయిన సండే
of MySQL
కంపల్సరీ ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి సండే అని చెప్పి నిన్నే చెప్పినాడు, మర్చిపోయినా నేను చెప్పేది నీకు.
We'll take it. This example. Watch it. MySQL. I'll open it. Observe it.
ఒకసారి మొహమాట
Update example of previous.
రాయాలని చెప్పిండు. అది సండే అంటే
What is this now? MySQL connector.
లాస్ట్ టైం మిస్
I'm taking.
చెప్పి సండే అంట.
MySQL connector. Update record. While true. Take the connection details different. So connection property I am changing it.
వదిలిపెట్టరా
Cursor is
స్వామి,
same.
సాలిగా.
Accept the employee number. Accept the employee number. Okay. EMP employee number. Company name for updation.
చెప్తానే ఉన్నాడు.
Update employee set salary is equal to 20% you are giving. You want to give your own percentage. Percent S. Company name also you are giving based on company employee number. Update. Execute. Update query. Company name and then employee number. Row count not equal to 0. Otherwise record does not exist. Do you want to update another record? S means continue. Otherwise no means break. Same to same. Understand, students? Yes. I will change the exception here. I will change the exception here. Change the exception, my dear students. Done. Same to same. Execute. Execute. Go to the command prompt. PY. Yes. Enter the employee number. See that check once. Check once. Richie is having less salary. Bell Labs 103. 103. 103. Enter the company name for updation. Infosys. Infosys. Now say that what? One record updated. One record updated. We'll check it out whether it is updated or not. 105 is a salary. 20% increased. Check it out. 105. 105. 1.5 is 20% increased. 1.8. Company name changed as what? Infosys. Okay. This person is called HCU. I will just take this data. 1006 WR. Some 20% increasing. I will change it to what? OUCET. Some name I will write it directly.
ఇట్లా
Go to the
లైవ్
place.
ఫీల్డ్కి
Yes.
పోయేదానికంటే ఇట్లా చెప్పేదే best
1006.
అనుకుంటారు కదా.
Company name for this is called OUCET. See that updated. Check it out whether it is updated or not. 11.11 is 20% is becoming that. HU is becoming as OUCET. Are you following me? Yes. You execute what you know. 101. 101 is not there here. 101 is not there, students. I say 101. You say what? It is. I will write ABC. What is this? Employee record does not exist. Are you following? And say no. It is nothing but what? Record does not exist. And I said break only. Stopped or not? Yes. So, communicating with any database is difficult or easy? Easy or difficult? Easy. So, Vamshi, time dot sleep over, sir. Okay. Your time is over or what? Vamshi, are you sleeping? So, time dot sleep. This sleep function also I will explain in the class. This sleep function also I will explain in the class. How when any CM or PM is clicking the button, direct button transfers, beneficiary transfer accounts will be there or not? It is showing debited, credited is showing or not? I will show this example in the class. I will show time dot sleep. Time is a module. Sleep is a function which I already told in reloading module. I will explain it in multi-threading. It will come. So many things are there to discuss with you. Percent is there. After 65% what? After next 35% after learning what you will do, I want to see. Huh? See, seeing on the top, what should I do? Right. Good. Let us go to the next. I will go for what? Selecting the data. Shall I? Write down. Write a Python program.
లాస్ట్
So time is 7:50. No problem.
లోపల పెట్టేసి వస్తావు, సింపేసావు.
Sir, for you no problem. For you no problem.
పొరుగు
For me also no problem. For you problem, huh? WhatsApp messages are coming. Write a Python program
ముందు
which will select complete, which will select complete records of employee table, which will select complete records of employee table, which will select complete records of along with column names, along with column names. Yesterday we did or not? How many ways are there to retrieve the data from the cursor object? 3. Fetch 1, fetch many, fetch all. Fetch many greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0, less than 0, negative case, positive case, 0 case, no case. Mind blowing. Already you have seen it yesterday. Do you remember today?
నిన్న అర్థం
Okay.
మింగింది
Yesterday you have seen? Yes, sir, everybody. Do you remember?
తెలుసా?
No, sir. My
అక్కడ
responsibility
పడిన తెలుస్తుంది.
to serve everything in your plate. If we eat, it will become good minerals, good vitamins, brain is sharp. If you don't eat, what can I do? You tell me. I will go for it. Okay? So, mom, mother, no, I won't stop it, mom. I'll continue. So, go to that. Where is it now? Python Oracle. So, there is one thing called what? Select records with what names? Last program. Last program. I'll go to this. So, paste this. I'll open it. Last and final. What is the module name? What is the module name? Same. Description and everything is same. So, I'll go for it. Okay. Connection also same. Connection also same. Go to this place. Here I am going to say connection also same. Okay. Cursor. Enter the table name. Everything same. Only thing is I will change the module name. See. I'll go for it. Done. Table data. Execute. Say. Run this code. Py. What? Enter the table. Beautiful. Beautiful. I will write it. What is that now? Student. Student. What is coming? Student table is there, but no data is there. Where? In MySQL. Select star from. Select star from where? Student. Student. Table, no data. Insert into. Let me say once. DESC student once. See. Insert into. Insert into what? Student. Values. 10 comma. RS comma. 11.11 semicolon. I said query is okay. Query is okay. Now you run it. What is the table name? Student. It is coming here. Are you following me? So once anything you insert in MySQL, the database is by default what? Committed. MySQL by default what? Committed. So am I getting the data once again into my command prompt or not? Earlier no data, now it is coming, right? Here enter the table name KVR. Do you have KVR in that 6 p.m. database? No, you will get what? Tables KVR does not exist. In this batch, this is not existing. Understand, students?
Yes.
So communicating with my Oracle, communicating with MySQL, easy or difficult? In this entire explanation, what did you understand? Module name, exception, module name, connection property is different. Everything is going to be same. This is called what? Database communication. Database communication. Let me go to that. See, students, index I will open once. Always I will show you the index. Just to see that index once. What is happening? Purpose of database communication. Database, how it differs from file. Setup for database communication and installation of database modules. Next steps for developing Python database communication application. Database communication program. Types of queries, DDL, DML, DRL. Programming examples on DDL, programming examples on DML, programming examples on DRL. Metadata. Metadata means columns information. Examples on DRL queries. Select with column names. This is my PDBC concept. Understood? Yes. Tomorrow class, I will go for. Come on. Whoops. Are you ready to listen? Whoops. Your whoops is already whoops. So my whoops is going to come in front of you. Solid explanation I will give. You have understood this. And more than this I will tell you. Every topic, more than that I will tell you. And whoops is my favorite topic. Yes. Whichever topic we did, that is a favorite topic. And be come with peace of mind and try to listen. Okay, students. Thank you, students. All the best. Online students, don't miss tomorrow.